In today's video, we'll be doing something different. Yeah, something different. We'll be supporting our artwork with smudge painting. Without wasting much time, let's get cooking. I opened up Photoshop and imported my image. As you can see, with the pen tool, I masked out my image from the background. Yeah, for proper masking though. If you want to get the proper masking, you have to use the pen tool. So by the time I was done with my hairbrush, I began to make the edge of the hair rough because of course it's hair. The edge of a full hair, like a full hair, is usually not smooth, it's rough. So that's what I'm just going to do. And by the time I was done, what I did next was to smoothen at the edge. I went forward, I increased the sharpness of my image for smudge painting. After that, I went straight into smudge painting. Now, if you don't know what smudge painting is basically smoothing out the skins. Now, if you want to learn about smudge painting, I would recommend that you watch Say Wow Graphics or Armstrong Osas. I applied oil painting filter. I tuned the settings to suit my taste, and by the time I got what I was looking for, click OK and allow Photoshop to do the thing. I mean, not too much effect, but it's okay for my cartoon look. Now I feel it's time I should add skin tone, like a skin color. With a solid layer, I create some brownish color and to create the skin. So I begin to paint around the skins, the area of the skins. And when these were done, I said, okay, my image is looking flat, so I'll go for dodge and bond. By the time I was done with dodge and bond, and if you don't know what dodge and bond is basically adding shadows and highlights to your image. If you want to know more, you want me to do a tutorial on dodge and bond, just leave a comment on the comment section and I'll create a tutorial for that. I added colors to the lips also, and that is nice. I moved forward, I added colors to the to the eyeballs to make it a little bit white, and also color to the hair. They are most important things. that was nice. If you ask me about the results, I would say powerful. Yeah, I really love how it came out. I mean, look at this piece of artwork. Nice.